Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking good. We got it all up on the chart. Pull it up right there. We got Caesar first in the chat. Moji second in the chat. Caesar, Moji, Joseph, Old Rounder, Moji. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out, see what's happening so far today. Anybody over on TikTok? No. We got some people scrolling through over on TikTok. If you guys are over there right now, let me know. Hit the like button, do all that good stuff. Says we got one total viewer right now. Top left-hand side of the screen, we got AMC sitting down 2.5% today, $4.95. GameStop, top right-hand side of the screen, sitting at 21.10 right now, 0.81% lower on the day today. Shiba Inu Coin, bottom right, sitting at 13.22, down 3.5%. Tapping, about 1,300 points per coin. It is a pretty strong level of support, so hopefully it does hold up. Bitcoin coming back down a little bit today, $55,982, $961, $974. $66, $52, 1.6% lower on the day today. The Nasdaq doing okay, but it is coming back down after gapping up. The Nasdaq sitting 0.77% higher today, but things are selling off into the afternoon here. And that's the 5-minute chart. Let's move over to a 1-minute chart here so we can see what's going on. It's falling off a little cliff this morning, this afternoon here. Coming back down pretty heavy over the last 5 minutes. 0.64% higher after just being 0.77% higher. Dogecoin sitting at 9.7 cents. Shiba Inu Coin 13.21. Ethereum 23.96. Pretty difficult 3 minutes there, but nothing to be worried about. 55.969 on Bitcoin. SPY sitting at 5.26, coming down. QQQ sitting at 4.42, coming down. You get Molinado 71 cents. All-time low. Yep. What's the market cap on Molinado, man? Can we pull our money together and fire everybody that works at Molinado? 17 million? I doubt it. We should buy Molinado one day and just fire everybody that works there. Literally everybody that works there. Not just the executives. Just fire everybody that works there. Sundial sitting at 209. Netflix 625. Netflix is up on the day today. MPW 472. Tesla sitting at 196. Amazon 164. And Apple $211. It is up 2% of the day today. Even though it's coming back down a little bit right here. Apple bouncing beautifully at the open, going from 206 to 213, back down to 211 at the moment. So we got some good volatility going on in the stocks and in those there cryptos. The stock market and then their internet money is doing okay today. Oh, thank goodness, dude. I didn't see my timer, and I'm like, holy smokes, man. Am I even live right now? But yes, I am live right now. Abraham, we got Noop, Human and You, Top J, and User. Glad to have all you guys over in TikTok right now. Who we got coming in over on YouTube? Kenneth, great to be back with the band. Kenneth, it's great to have you back with the band, man. Akira, what's going on, man? How do you sell a new coin with no exchange on your Phantom wallet? Mo Money. What do you mean with no exchange? Do you mean like no centralized exchange? Because if it's showing up on your Phantom wallet, right? Like if you have it in your Phantom wallet, let's say it was airdropped to you because you bought a pre-sale or something. At that point, it is going to be on a decentralized exchange. It's going to be on Radium or, well, I mean, most likely Radium. Everybody goes to Radium first. So it's most likely going to be on Radium. Now, however, if you don't want to go into Radium, you still can swap it as long as you already have it in your wallet. So I'm not going to show you my wallet, but let me see what buttons you just click. I'm pretty sure you just click on the coin, because I'm not 100% sure like what coin you're talking about or what you're asking about. But if you only want to do it from Phantom Wallet, W Trump on Solana. All right, we can look at it. But anyway, I got Jason Derulo, right? So I'd click on Jason Derulo there. And I don't want to show you my balances. But then I would simply click. So it pulls up. It's got my Jason balance. And then there's a button that says receive send, swap, and more. I can click swap, and then I can swap it for Solana or whatever I want to do. And I believe it's going to use Jupiter and try to find me a pretty good rate. Otherwise, I'm going out to Radium to swap that. But let's look up W Trump, or maybe Raps Trump on Solana. It will have an exchange. Tell me which one it is, man. Is it this one? No, probably this one if it's on Solana. Would be my best guess. If you can, tell me like the first couple digits there. I don't know if it's this one or not, but let's just pull up this one in case. I hope it's not this one. You're not going to be able to sell this one. Oops. Sorry. Let me know if that's that one. Is there still more blood to come in the market? What's your opinion, Clay? Akira? I think investors are so fearful right now that we literally just bounced off a level 7. I think it was 27. Where was it? Maybe it was 17. Where were we yesterday? 17. We bounced off a level of 17 extreme fear yesterday. Dude, that is very low. Now, do I think that there could be more to come? There absolutely could be more to come. All right, people are insane. They'll just sell off for no reason. But I believe all of the reasoning right now does point to bullish signs for cryptocurrency. Look, I'm not going to bring politics into it, but I truly do believe that you guys can vote one way coming November, and it's not going to be as good for cryptocurrency, for the economy, for the market. And you can vote another way that is going to be, in my opinion, better for cryptocurrency, the environment, or I don't know about the environment, but the economy and growth. So I don't know what's going to happen in the next couple of months. But if we do get a situation where crypto can prosper, dude, everything on the horizon is looking very good at that point. I mean, it's almost nothing but positive catalysts. So if, of course, we decide to go the other way, I think it's going to be a pretty bad situation. And, yeah, we can come down a lot further. But right now, I'm optimistic, man. I'm optimistic. We could fall a little further, but to me, all signs point to positive. But where... No, I'm up 6K, and my wallet won't connect. Mo Money, tell me like the first couple digits of the contract address, or tell me the last couple digits of the contract. If it's pump, that's not going to help me at all. But tell me the first couple digits of the contract address there, and I'll be able to look it up better, because it's not this one. This one's only got $1 in the liquidity pool. So, I mean, it can't be that one. Now, I don't know if it's this one. You might be talking about Rap Trump here. Are you talking about this one? I know they didn't say W Trump, but... If you can, give me the first couple digits. If you give me the first couple digits, man, of the contract address, I'll be able to look it up better. You can trade it, right? You can trade it. Your wallet should have no problem connecting to an exchange. Let's see. Hello, everybody. What's going on? Chris Mosevsky. What's going on? J-Bones. $15 billion market cap for a meme coin will be a thing of the past. $150 billion market cap. So Caesar, right? Yes and kind of no. So I do believe that there will be some meme coins that hit $150 billion market cap, but not all of them. Not all of them are going to do it. So, yeah, there might be one day, and I don't know how soon it's going to be, but there might be one day where we're talking meme coins are testing, Solana level market caps and so on. So yeah, I do think that's a possibility, man. WienerDog AI not doing bad considering what happened on Monday. I feel good about going into the centralized exchange listing. Joseph, man, I have shaved a little bit of profit off WienerDog AI. I remember I doubled down when it was at 0.0028, so I did get my cost basis down below that 7 level. I've shaved a little bit of profit on WienerDog AI because I didn't want to be as exposed as I was based on the current market. But yeah, dude, considering it's up like 3 or 4x from where it was just a couple of days ago on Monday when things got ripped, WienerDog AI has been doing a very, very good job of moving higher. So yeah, I am excited about this centralized exchange listing. I think it's going to happen tomorrow. A lot of times, though, I've seen a buy the rumors, sell the news type of event. So you might have a lot of people buying and pumping it up into the centralized exchange listing. Just be aware that they may sell off after the centralized exchange listing. Let's see. I'm very happy with WienerDog AI. Me too, Brian. Me too. We know what's gonna happen with not political advice. An NPA. It's like NFA. Never financial advice, guys. Never political advice either. We know how these platforms get when you start talking about that stuff. Ethereum prediction. Bought at 2350. Opinion. Yeah, I actually got some in the 2400 range. As well. So I think Ethereum's going to be going up, man. It just all depends on what Bitcoin's doing. I am very optimistic. Whether you're talking Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. Now, do I think that Ethereum's going to go to $100,000 a coin or something? No, but I do think that Ethereum can hit some new highs. What's good to buy today? I have about $500 only. Is it good to start? Yeah, so man, Islam number 1. It is definitely a good place to start. And it does depend on kind of your risk appetite. So whether you're looking to turn that 500 into 5,000, whether you're looking to do it overnight or over the course of the next couple weeks or months or years, is all going to depend on where you should start. Here's what I'm going to say, man. Unless you've been investing before and you know your ability to make and lose money. Like I'm saying, sometimes you can make money and you don't really feel good or bad about it. Sometimes you lose money and it seems like it's the end of the world. So if you haven't been able to invest before and you've got that $500, you want to start, figure out your risk appetite. I would do that by starting slow. Buying something like maybe not, I don't know, maybe not Ethereum. $500, unless you go all in on Ethereum, you're going to be hit with some decent gas fees. Maybe go into something like Solana, right? You get cheaper fees to work with out there. It's still a much larger coin. $150 right now is not a terribly high price. It's not a terribly low price, but you should be swinging around that $150 range. Now, you're not going to buy Solana, though, and turn that 500 into 5,000 in a couple days or whatever. You gotta take much more risk than that. So it does depend on you. Video quality of the stream is great. Curious what platform you're using. Streamlabs. I'm using Streamlabs right now. So Streamlabs is, you can download it for free and you can stream. I'm dual streaming on YouTube and on TikTok right now. So thank you very much, Doug, for asking the question. And then as far as the camera goes, dude, I'm just using an old Samsung S20 as my webcam there. Clay, you see Cashapp price prediction. I think we could see $5 plus. $5, man. Let's look up where Cashapp is at. Isn't it much, much lower than that right now? Caesar, spray your weeds and quit causing me to get emails when you don't do your job. I think it's the Caesar I work with. Yes, Caesar, spray your weeds, man. What are you doing? Short Ethereum heavily, not financial advice. Oh, this idiot's killing me. Oh, man. He's gonna kill me, man. Oh, no. Hey, you know what? Old rounder. Shorted heavily, man. But I got some Ethereum now, so I hope it goes up, dude. I hope it goes up. Here's the thing. Even if you do short Ethereum down, right? I am not leveraged. I cannot stand leverage at this point. If you're going to be trading and you want to trade on leverage, I can't make a recommendation to you, right? I can't give you any advice. But, dude, look at scalping, okay? The market's volatile enough that if you go in there and you're trying to invest longer term on leverage, you're most likely going to get burned. So think about scalping. But yeah, dude, my long position will survive any sort of a downturn. So short it as hard as you want, but be careful when it goes back up, which it will, old rounder, which it will. About a teammate took it its price. Giovanni, I have been looking into it. I do have some Ethereum ready to go right now, so it is not an impossibility that I do begin adding to some T-Man, big and small there, both big and small. So talking about that T-Man on the Ethereum and adding back into T-Man on Solana as well. Absolutely, Doug. Thank you very much for asking. WIF seems to pump hard when it pumps. Yeah, you know what, franchise? A lot of meme coins do that. So it don't matter. I mean, I guess it does matter. But meme coins typically pump very hard and then slowly and steadily sell off for a while. Then they'll pump very hard, slowly and steadily sell off for a while. So a lot of meme coins do undergo that pattern, man. I think that's it right there. All right, Mo Money. So if this is it, and you've got this, and you've got it on Solana, okay? Let's see where we are. I don't know which one it is, but if it's this wormhole address right here, what you're going to end up doing is this should be tradable on Radium. So you'd copy the contract address. You'd go to your Solana wallet, right? You would open up Radium. You're going to click that little button. I believe it looks like a world or a globe or whatever. Down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen on your Solana wallet. And then Radium is like the third or fourth choice. You're going to click on Radium. Now, you're going to connect your wallet. I'm not going to connect my wallet on here. I don't even think I have my wallet connected to desktop. But you're going to connect your wallet. It should connect. Right? All you got to do is it's like the same exact layout on the phone as it is on the computer here. You're going to click Connect Wallet on the top right if it doesn't auto-connect, which it should. From there, you're simply going to search for your token. I mean, if you've already got it in your wallet, you should probably see it right here. But you can paste your contract address, right? And then you can pull it up. You got the T-Man right there. What you're going to do if you want to sell it, you're going to put it at the top of the page, and you want to trade it, right? You want to trade it for Solana. Excellent. If you want to trade it for USDC, you can trade it for a stable coin, USDC, USDT as well. But you can go in there and trade it for whatever you want to trade it for. So if you want to sell it out for USDC, you can do that. If you want to trade it for Radium, you can do that. If you want to trade it for Solana, you can trade it for Solana. So that's how you would trade it for one of the top tokens. Now, if you want to go actually cash it out and put it in your bank, you are going to need to use a centralized exchange like Crypto.com, Coinbase, Kraken, and so on. Now, be careful, and I don't know. I've never sent USDC on the Solana network to Coinbase, so I don't know if that works or not. But I think that I read a post on X not too long ago that some kid tried sending USDC on the Solana network to Coinbase, and they don't support it, so he lost his money. And they're just saying, whoa, there's nothing we can do about it. No, sorry. So if you're going to be sending it over to Coinbase, you might just want to send Solana, and you might want to deal with just Solana if you're going to be cashing it out on Coinbase. I could be wrong. I'm just trying to recall an X post that I read the other day, so I could be wrong on that. But that's how you should be able to trade it. You should be able to connect your wallet to Radium. I haven't looked at my Coinbase wallet in a while. When I did, I had a bunch of random deposits from random addresses. What is up with that? You know, I don't know on Coinbase. Oh, Coinbase wallet. Okay, so you're not talking about actual Coinbase. You're talking about your Coinbase wallet. Here's what I noticed, man. It doesn't matter if it's my Ethereum wallet, and I have a few different wallets. If you're talking Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and so on. What I've noticed is that if a wallet either is very active, meaning you go out there and trade a lot, or if a wallet has a lot of money in it, you will see a lot of tokens being airdropped to your wallet. Anywhere from 1 cent to a dollar worth being airdropped to your wallet. I don't know if these people are trying to get you to buy. Like all of a sudden I see, Froggy Frog in my wallet, so they think that I'm going to want to go out there and buy more Froggy Frog. And that's the idea behind throwing me a free 5 cents worth of Froggy Frog. Or if they're trying to attack my wallet, right? I don't know the intentions behind a lot of those coins. So if you've got a lot of money in your wallet, or if you have a very active wallet, there is a chance that they throw a bunch of spam coins in there, and you might see a bunch of deposits with those tiny little tokens. And I believe they're just trying to market those tokens towards you. I can't imagine every single one of them is a scam. Surprise! Pudgy, man, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm still holding my fish on base. Dev's really active on Telegram. The community is strong. They're working on some big stuff, but I'm not allowed to talk about it. Well, why the heck not, dude? Isn't that what you're all supposed to be doing, is talking about it and telling everybody to get them excited? Poodle! We got Pudge Poodle in the chat. I'm sure we will have a pump in November, and then a big pump in February, then another huge pump November of 2025. I think it'll be the same as the year 2021. Oh my gosh. Hey man, I hope so. I really do. I am completely surprised that retail investors. So my mom, I went to Taco Tuesday last night. They got some friends in from New Jersey. And these people, I basically spent the entire dinner talking about cryptocurrency. But it is still obvious that people have no idea what cryptocurrency is. And it's still obvious that they're not interested in investing in it. It's certainly not mainstream. They've heard about it. They know about it. But they don't know what it is. So until we get to that point where people actually accept it, dude, retail's nowhere to be found, man. It's just a few guys our age that are out there trying to buy cryptocurrency and make some money. Dude, imagine getting into the stock market back in 1930, man. Yeah. I know you guys don't want to hold for your grandkids or your great-grandkids. I know nobody wants to hold for your grandkids or your great-grandkids. But, dude, there's such an opportunity in crypto. There's such an opportunity to get in, make that long-term gain, and the short-term gains. Clearly, you guys know a lot of the stuff we talk about, you could wake up tomorrow and be up 5x on it. So, there's so much opportunity in crypto. Don't waste that opportunity, man. Sup, Clay? Johnny K! What's up? How you doing, man? Let's see, Kenneth. Any news on the burns at this moment in time? Zero. Kenneth, so man, I read all of the Shiba Inu Coin articles that were released recently, and I have got zero update on burns from the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team, man. I think they feel like if they just ignore it, it'll go away, alright? And I don't think that's the correct strategy, but that's what they feel like. If they just ignore it, it'll go away. SFP 300 and Irrational. Thank you guys very much for being over on TikTok. Appreciate it if you guys click that like button. Wallet won't connect automatically. It keeps saying I don't have the Phantom app, but I do. Are you trying to do it on your computer or are you trying to do it on your phone, Mo Money? You might want to do it on your phone. Because the only way that you can really connect it on your phone is if you're already in the Phantom app. So it's obvious. It should be an automatic connect if you do it on your phone. I don't know. The phone, man. He's doing it on his phone. You're opening the Phantom app. You're clicking the globe in the bottom right. you were clicking on Radium, and then it's not auto-connecting, and when you click Connect Wallet, it says you don't have the Phantom app, even though you opened Radium through the Phantom app. If that's the case, man, I might force stop Phantom. I might go in your app settings, force stop it, and then, you know, clear your cache, optimize your phone or whatever you need to do, and see if it works then. I was trading some Wiener Dog AI last night, and my wallet was connected fine, but it kept giving me some error on Uniswap when I tried to swap it, and it gave me the error like 8 times. I just closed the app. I cleared my cache, opened the app back up, and had no issues whatsoever. So that could be what's causing the problem there. I don't know why it would be doing that, but that could be part of the issue. Why is Ethereum dropping? Because of guys like Old Rounder, bro, going out there and shorting it at the moment. Now, I don't know why Ethereum's dropping. Everything else is down a little bit, but Ethereum is actually down more. So, you know, Bitcoin's down 1.23%, but Ethereum's down 4.5%. So, I'm not 100% sure why Ethereum is getting hit harder than the rest of the crypto market today. Let's see. Here it is. This one. Where's this at? 67? Ooh, 69.90. 69.90. Dude, Wiener Dog AI is looking good, guys. Now it does continue to run into trouble at about 75, and I get it. There's a lot of people who are breaking even on 75, and they're selling. I'm gonna be completely honest. I have sold a couple times above the 7 level. But that's because, you guys remember, I averaged down right here. I averaged down at 28.80. So I did buy the dip. I should have bought it harder. All right, I should have bought it heavier than I did. Hindsight bias is 2020. You would have 3x, 4x your money here. That's phenomenal. But I've been in positive territory for a while now. So I have shaved in this area. A lot of people coming out shaving is it's testing it. But dude, if Wiener Dog AI breaks this, plus I had a lot, right? I had bought what I wanted to buy during the pre-sale, and then because I averaged down, I felt like I had a lot, and because you don't know what the crypto market's doing right now, I wasn't comfortable with what I had. You know, clearly I would have been comfortable if I knew it was going to get up here, and I should have bought more and all that crap, but whatever. So I have shaved some in this area right here, and added a little bit to the resistance. But yeah, dude, if it breaks this, I still have plenty. If it breaks this, it's going to be a very nice run, man. And no resistance in sight. Dude, I would love it if somebody came in with, you know, a couple $10,000 buys. Boom, shot this bad boy up to 001. Yeah, that'd be a nice gain in Wiener Dog AI, man. It would be a very nice gain in Wiener Dog AI. I'ma igno Pudgy like he igno me on Discord. No igno. Never igno. No broken bones. Just somehow an 8-foot or so fall landing on my back right ribs. Couldn't do that damage. That or the doctor's just stupid. Feels broken though. Now, what I have learned is that doctors are people. And they might not be the most intelligent people. So, if you're a doctor out there, all right, hopefully you're exceptional, but everybody is just a person. And just because they're a doctor does not make them a genius. Let's see. Clay, you don't think the crypto will hit mainstream by next year? I think BlackRock will promote crypto by the next Super Bowl. Super Bowl commercials again, different than FTX. Well, Giovanni, it could, right? It absolutely could. I think that almost no matter how much, though, that it gets promoted and how many people talk about it and so on, dude, I'm still skeptical that retail can afford it right now. So I think that we do need to see for that mainstream adoption, FOMO rally, all of that stuff to hit. Sure, we can have some exciting football, Super Bowl commercials, but people need money, right? People need money, even if it's just like they feel like they have more money. People need to feel like they've got that money. And when they do, that's when you're going to see a really large jump, man. And I responded, then none. Must have been what you were doing. Could have been. Morning to you, Nick F. How are you? Morning. Clay, do you think it's a good time to buy? You got to trade my 1 billion SHIB for Ethereum, or best to hold on to SHIB? Not financial advice. Well, the way I look at it, man, I think it's easier for Shiba Inu Coin to double than it is for Ethereum to double from these current levels. I think if Ethereum does double and it goes up to $5,000 a coin, it's an all-time high. I would believe at that point Shiba Inu Coin should be well above the recent 4,500 and probably testing an all-time high itself. So my expectations for it would be, if you expect to make money, I would expect to make more in SHIB if Ethereum is rising. Now, if you expect to lose money, if you expect that we're going to continue this downtrend, or that we're going to have some hard times ahead before the clouds clear and skies are blue, I might go to Ethereum, right? Only because I think it's easier for SHIB to lose 50% than it is for Ethereum to lose 50%. Now, Ethereum can lose 50%, right? We watched Ethereum lose 20% in a single day, so it's not to say that it wouldn't. I just think that Shiba Inu Coin is more volatile both to the upside and the downside. But dude, I don't know what's causing all the fear, and I don't know what's causing all the sell-offs and stuff right now. But dude, I'm still looking at so many positive catalysts out there. Like, I got a decent amount in USDT, so in stable coins, but I've got more invested than I do sitting in stables. So I'm not scared right now. I'm optimistic that we're going to get somebody who believes in crypto, and we are going to continue to grow crypto, man. So I am optimistic. Dr. House slams Vicodin and performs miracles. That he does, man. That he does. That's my bad. I didn't know that Dr. House was your doctor. I figured it was some other doctor. Jump, my little friend. Just start climbing. SHIB, SHIB, SHIB. Sky pigeon. Let's get it. Oh, there's my baby girl. Yes. There's my baby girl. Should have some food. Usually she comes up here. Like, if I'm live streaming or right after the live, she'll come up here and start biting on cords and trying to get my attention. And typically it's because her food dish is empty, but I know she's going to have food right now. She's the best baby girl in the whole wide world, guys. You know she is. You know she is. Come on, you want to come down here? Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, you're a good girl. Let's see. RNs have more hands-on experience. Yeah, I would agree, Pudgy. Save a doctor. Call an RN. Moji, you're probably right on that, man. Sorry to keep bothering you, but now it connected, but it says the coin is not verified. Price warning. Correct. Mo money. That is absolutely correct. So you're going to get that warning anytime. You know, let me see if I can pull up a warning here to just show you. A video that I talked about this morning should give me a warning. So, T1500. T1500. This kid is walking 1,500 miles from the UK over to Andrew Tate's house. Now, Radium. Let's pull it up. Okay, so see, this is the warning, right? This is the warning you got right here. By clicking below, you understand that you're fully responsible for confirming the token you're trading. This just means this token is not on the default token list. Anytime you're going to trade on a decentralized exchange that has these little tokens, and they're not listed on some of the main centralized exchanges, Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com, and so on, you're going to get this warning. Baby girl, hey, No. Hey, don't be biting that. Dude, one bite, she could bite right through these cords. I've seen her do it. That's why that banana's not lit up anymore. Come here. Yeah, don't bite that stuff. So this is just a warning saying that this is not a mainstream token. It's not traded on any of the main centralized exchanges. All you gotta do is click I confirm or I understand or confirm or whatever it is, and then you'll be able to trade it. They give you that warning, man, because there are so many tiny... No. There are so many tiny little tokens out there, and anybody can go create a token, and if they create a token and, you know, it's a honeypot or anything like that, they just want to cover themselves. That's all they got there. Let's see. Crypto is a buy and hold asset. Stop watching these people. Crypto isn't real trading. Look at the year. An all-time high. Stay long and ignore people like this. Ray, dude, I don't know if you're still in here or not, but that's pretty wild, man. That's pretty wild. If you've got it all figured out, though, I don't know why you're scrolling through TikTok right now. Shouldn't you be out making money if you've got all the answers? Oh, God, Ray's an idiot. Let's see here. I'm just going to stop talking about being bearish because it's causing Claybro grief. No. Old Rounder, you're not causing me any grief, man. I am bullish right now as opposed to being bearish, but I'm okay if we do fall down a little bit more. Let's see. Hello all. What's going on, Jeremiah? Mine does that too. I fear cat under chair scenario in Christmas Vacation. Yeah, Moji, man. I don't know. I gotta keep my eyes out for this cat because, literally, dude. Look, she one bit didn't even give me 2 seconds. If I move that, dude, she came down here. This banana was plugged in. Oh, here's the rest of it. That banana was plugged in, and boom, just one slice, man. Didn't even like chew on it. She just straight scissored. When I swap it to Solana, it doesn't show the full amount of WT money I have. Mo Money. Did you click max? So anytime you're trading a token like that, right? No, wrong button, sorry. Anytime you're trading a token like that, and you come out here, I don't know what your max is. I don't know how much you have in your wallet, but, you know, you can type in that. You can type in 1 Solana. I don't know what you typed in, but if you click max, it should show you the maximum amount you have in your wallet. Now, let's say you got $100 worth in there. You should see $100 worth down here, too. It should be very, very little difference. There will be a price impact difference, and there will be a slight trading fee or slippage difference. So you can see here, if you sold $335.62 worth of T-Man, you'd be receiving $334.50 worth of Solana. So you would lose about $1 to the slight price impact that it's going to have, and any trading fees or any slippage that's associated with it. So that could be why, but if it's a drastic difference, I don't know why you'd be seeing a drastic difference. It's usually very low fees on Radium, and any Solana trade for that matter, usually very low. Let's see. Dang it! I'm sitting downtown Cincinnati near a running path, and there's a lot of people running. Oh, I sold my Wiener AI, earned tokens. I was weak, Clay. I wanted to make $900 last night and stick. Dude, Jeremiah, good, man, good. I've taken some profit on my Wiener Dog AI as well. Remember, I averaged down when it was at 28, so I did have some extra. And I already had I already had a really good amount. I would say a heavy amount, especially seeing how much other people had, right? After everybody started claiming, I could kind of see where I fell in terms of holders. and I did not want to rank as high as I was ranking. So I have now I say that, and dude, Wiener Dog AI next year could be trading at a penny or whatever, and I'll kick myself for it, wishing I was that high. But yeah, I've already shaved some Wiener Dog AI a couple times. Can you ask your viewers if anyone has a MetaMask? I'm running into problems. If I have $50 in Ethereum, if I below 59, it won't let me buy anything. Why? Brian, I'm not 100% sure. Let me see something. Let me get my calculator. Now, usually, so a lot of these pre-sales, for example, I don't know if it's going to show you. Okay. I don't know if it's going to show you without me connecting my wallet and trying to make the purchase here. But I'm pretty sure that all of these widgets, if you're talking about buying here, and it might be the same thing if you're trying to buy out on a decentralized exchange as well. But they will make sure that they leave a minimum of like 0.015 Ethereum in your wallet, so that you can afford to pay the gas fees and stuff. So 0.015 Ethereum at the current price is around $36. So if you've got 59 in your wallet and you're trying to trade any amount or buy any amount that would leave less than $36 in your wallet, that might be why they're not letting you do it. I could be wrong, but I've noticed on like all of the pre-sales that I buy, they make sure that you maintain a minimum of 0.015 Ethereum, which is about $36 at the current price. So if you're trying to buy like any more than $23 worth, it might not leave the minimum required in your wallet. And that might be the reason. So if somebody else knows, let Brian know. But that would be my guess as to why you're not able to buy. You might not be leaving the minimum in your wallet. If you're buying pre-sale, right? If you're swapping other tokens, you should be okay. So I wouldn't know the answer to that. But if you're swapping other tokens, I don't know. If it's pre-sale, that's probably why. When I swap it to Solana, it doesn't show that. Did you get it figured out, Mo, or no? Let's see. Wow, made it, Clay. Alien head. I'm glad, man. I'm thinking of sitting down in Cincinnati. It's all right. Jeremiah, let's see. I'm bullish, too. I really believe things are going to get a lot better. Dude, they're guaranteed to get a lot better, man, because we're at the bottom, right? Prices can go lower, sure. But the amount of interest, dude, it can't go that much lower. I mean, we're at the bottom, dude. If you come out here, you can see the only time we've ever been lower in terms of retail interest in cryptocurrency was back at the beginning of 2017, end of 2018, or end of 2016, sorry. Dude, it shot up to a level of 14 here in June of 2017. If we shot back up to a level of 14, I would expect prices to be much higher than they were in March. Shiba Inu Coin was at 4,500 in March. We were at retail interest of 8. Retail interest of 14 back in June of 2017, man. I mean, if we get back to these levels, we should be seeing some very nice gains here. That's my expectations. Retail's missing out right now. They will end up pumping bags. You should check out more about Block Day. Yes, it'll be airdropped on time of launch. Yeah, Alien Hits. So you got a Block Tag video coming out tomorrow. You can have a Block Dag video coming out tomorrow. I actually bought into Block Dag. Well, you'll be able to see it in the video. I bought about $250 worth of Block Dag. So I may add more, and if I do add more, I'm probably not going to tell you guys how much I add, but since I had it in the video there, I ended up making a video on it. It's done $65 million in its pre-sale, and it's a layer 1 blockchain, right? So one of the reasons I'm interested in it is it's a layer 1 and it's mineable, okay? I kind of got my start in cryptocurrency mining. Before I ever even bought a coin, I was mining coins. So I do like and I appreciate mining. It's proof of work, so which means you're running your computer out there. It's not just staking or anything like that. Now, one of the things that they're doing, you can buy the coins, you can buy the mining equipment, or you can simply mine it from your phone. The video is going to be released tomorrow, and there is a referral code in there. I get a 2% bonus since I bought into the $250 level. So if you guys do want to use my referral link, please use my referral link if you guys decide to buy into Block Dag pre-sale. But dude, the thing that I like about it is you're going to be able to mine from your phone. So you can buy a pretty cheap miner and essentially 10x your phone rewards if you buy the cheap miner. Or you can go all the way up to basically 1000xing your phone rewards by buying like a $3,000 miner, it might be. Like an ASIC miner. But yeah, dude, I'm doing a video on that tomorrow, and I think it could be something pretty big, man. So I jumped in. People are expecting, dude, I don't know, price predictions are showing you $10 possible, and you're currently sitting at 1.7 cents. And launch price is going to be 5 cents, so you're guaranteed a 3x increase on launch from these levels. So that 250 is going to be about 750 when Block Dag launches there. But yeah, man, I don't know if you guys do want to get into it. You can, if you want to get into it before the video comes out, I'll send you my referral link if you want. Bitcoin price prediction, sir. Bitcoin, man. Listen, I don't know where the bottom is going to be for Bitcoin if things keep coming back down. But my bull market price prediction, it's Mo over on TikTok, spamming over there. My bull market price prediction for Bitcoin is around 150,000. Now, I'm getting that number. I am slightly pulling it out of thin air because it's a prediction. It is just a guess. Nobody knows where it's going to be. But looking at the demand for Bitcoin in the past, looking at what is possible in the future, I believe that 150,000 is reasonable. It's a little over a 100% increase from the previous all-time high. Now, do we make it? You know, I'm not sure. It's going to take a lot of retail money, and it's going to take a lot of institutional money to get Bitcoin to, between a $2 and $3 trillion market cap. $100,000 is going to be very significant because it's a nice round number, and we probably will run into a lot of resistance there. But I do believe we hit all-time highs, and I'm setting my sights on 150, but anywhere between a 1 and 200 range to me would be reasonable. Let's see. Still got a few million tokens staked in WienerDog AI. Still 112% a year. Dude, that is a very nice staking rate, though, Jeremiah. Especially if WienerDog AI, just remains consistent or slowly rises. That's a phenomenal rate, dude. I think you're right about the minimum Ethereum in pre-sales. Yeah, but I don't know if that's what he's talking about, Joseph. So if that's what he's talking about, I would imagine that's why he's running into trouble. But I don't know if Brian's trying to buy somewhere else or not. Nice! Do add more, my friend. I have a nice cushion, but once I sell off my WienerDog AI, I'll be buying more. Very nice. And Alien Head, if you do, when you sell off your WienerDog AI, look, guys, you have no idea. So if you see any of these pre-sale videos or anything like from a marketing company or me talking about these tokens, if you guys even just click my link, it helps beyond what you know because these guys want clicks. Ultimately, they like it even more if you buy the token, but they want clicks. if you guys decide to buy into BlockTag or any other token for that matter, even if you sell your WienerDog AI and you use my links for that, it's beyond helpful. And it's literally, it just helps, right? A lot of people think, well, dude, if I use his affiliate link or whatever, you know, I'm going to be getting a worse price, or it's going to charge me. No, it doesn't charge you anymore, dude. It's just extremely beneficial if you guys use that stuff. So, Alien Head, if you do decide to buy some more, man, I would appreciate it if you used my link. If not, it's okay. Use somebody else's link if you don't use mine. Everyone in here, get in, seriously. $65 million sell during the pre-sale is crazy. That's a lot of money to be able to raise. $65 million. But, dude, it is a layer 1 blockchain. It is its own coin, and it could be very successful. Now, I will say this, okay? If people are able to sell on launch day, you should probably expect some volatility. Because anytime that people are seeing 2, 3, 4, 5x gains on launch day, a lot of people, they don't want to hold beyond that, and they do take some profit. But yeah, dude, it is, you know, that can be you as well. You're going to be seeing 3x gains from the current level on launch. You're getting it at 1.7 cents. As long as if you want to sell and you want to take your 3x gain, take your 3x gain, man. So, yeah, I probably will add some more. I just added some in the video, and I don't typically like talking about the amount. But I did want to add the minimum to get to that bonus level right there in case you guys did want to buy in. So, you really need to get into Honorarium and Mallcoin. They're going to the moon. Thune. I don't even know where Honorarium is, man. I know it's down, but sitting steady, huh? $100 in volume. Ooh, $100 in sell volume. Nobody likes $100 in sales. $44,000 market cap, darn it. That is pretty low. Dude, this was at $1 million market cap. You'd be 20xing, more than 20x to get back up to the all-time high for Honorarium here. Think about that. 20x increase possible for Honorarium just to get back up. What the heck happened here? Well, don't do that again. That was a weird graph. Yeah, man, 20x increase possible to get back up to these levels right here. I hope that it does, man. What on earth? Dude. I don't want this volume graph to be that large on the side of my screen. How do I change this? Dude, now I got like double volume on here. Okay. What is going on, man? All right. We'll just leave that there. We'll just leave that there. Hopefully that's good. It doesn't mess up all my charts now. My gosh. Shouldn't I have a price over here too? I swear I should have a price over here. No, I don't know what it's doing. Whatever. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Wild. Let's see. Nice low price point. It is a very nice low price point to buy in at, man. Oh, did I tell you, once they launch, they'll be listed on both decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Yeah, dude, they're going to be a very big token. They're probably going to be listed. They'll probably end up listed on Coinbase, man. I don't know when, but they'll probably be listed on Coinbase. I just now went through the description of this live stream, clicked on your Voyager referral link, and it's not working. Oh, thank God. Dude, is that still in the live stream? Hey, did you guys... I actually got... I got a check in the mail from Voyager a couple days ago. I don't know when it was, but did you guys get another one? If you did not, you probably should be getting another one. During the dip, I bought $500 in Mog and $500 in Turbo to see what recovers best. Very nice, Southpaw Slinger. I like it, man. Okay, I hopes that the Ethereum go back to 3,000 because if it does, then I will make the 20% profiting. I will sell sums. If not, all the way back. All of it's no way. Okay, thanks. Hey, D, man, good deal. I hope you make a ton of money, man. 20% profit is good. Have a great day, peeps. It is 1 o'clock. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back with videos this afternoon, this evening, all of that good stuff. Appreciate all you guys for watching. If you're over on TikTok, it's Mo. Thank you for being over on TikTok. Everybody else, we'll do some shout-outs over on YouTube here, and then we'll be back later. I never got one. Never got what, man? Never got what? Shout-out? You get a shout-out all the time. Joseph, have a great day, man. Alien Head Intelligence, see you later. Alien Head, Alien Head, Alien Head, Alien Head, see you later. Moji, we got Alien Head, Old Rounder, Moji, Southpaw Slinger, J-Bones, baby. See you later, J-Bones. D, man. Brian, have a great one. We got Moji, Pudgy, SD, Manager, Moji. Oh, you're talking about a check. A check. Well, you might end up getting one, Pudgy. I ended up getting one. So, I ended up getting a second one. But you probably should get one then, because I just got mine. I wouldn't imagine you're going to get it the same exact day, but you probably will get one. SD, see you later. Manager, Moji, Old Rounder. We got Pudgy, DJ Bones. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.